So right up for you.
I liked my tune, yes. The fact that like she's had the world against her.
Sarah, because marketing, she sparked my interest into it because I wanted to do graphic design, but I'm more interested now into marketing.
Women and men are actually hardwired very, very differently.
Had a really good range of speakers that have really inspired the students to think about what's going to ignite their passion and what directions they want to go in, so it's been a really good, enjoyable day.
You know where we live. I don't know anything about any of that stuff.
But it was just awesome to know that everyone has different opinions about success.
What is your calling?
Today was great. You know, we're all inspired. We all walk out feeling like we can actually achieve stuff now.
Good luck!
My favourite speaker was Pure.
The other thing, we were poor. You get bloody inspired if you can't eat your sick of Weetabix.
Inspiring stuff, and I think we all got a lot out of it, so thank you very much. Cheers!
Today's been really good to just sort of see that you can do, you know, you just, if you believe in what you want to do, then you actually get there, so.
No goal, no dream is too hard, but you've got to believe it. You've got to do everything you can to make that come to fruition.